Now we have 5 parts of concave mirror when its object is moving from the center or focus. Now this is when object, first part is when object is beyond C. Beyond C means center of creature, beyond the center of creature. This is the object. Then it will show parallel line to focus and a creature image from focus point. This is when the object is beyond the focus, beyond the center of creature. Second is when the object is at C, means when the object is at center of creature. This is the object. This is object. It will show parallel to principal axis and cross to focus line. And this same image will be inverted vice versa in the form of parallel to principal axis from downward also when the object is at center of creature. Third is when object between C and F, between center of creature and focus point. This is between center of creature, this is the image, and focus point. Parallel to principal axis and crossing the focus point. Fourth is when object at F, means at focus point. When object is at focus point. It has double part. Parallel to radius. This is radius part. And cross, the reflection will be double side falling. It will cross the center of creature also and cross the focus point also. Means if the object is at focus point, the reflection will be double. Fifth is when object is between P and F, between point and point of parallel principal axis and focus point. Then the image will be not real because it is virtual. The image will be virtual as the meeting point is beyond the spherical concave mirror. It is beyond the mirror. This is virtual image. When the object is between P and F, the virtual image, because virtual image interact beyond the concave mirror. Now the complete concave mirror topic is closed. Now we will be learning the ray diagram of convex mirror. Got it? Rays in ray diagram in convex mirror. First point for them. It also has 6 points. Same, and the curve is opposite of concave mirror. So first is the ray of light parallel to the principal axis of a convex mirror appear to diverge from the focus point. Diverge from the first thing you should know, in concave mirror we created real image, but in convex mirror we get a virtual image. All the images were virtual, means it's imaginary image because it is diverging. So the ray of light parallel to principal axis of a convex mirror appear to diverge from the focus point. Yes, the light falls on the convex mirror, but it gets connected with focus point and center of creature. Focus point. Now lesson second part of spherical mirror is convex mirror. We all know in concave mirror we created real image, but in convex mirror the image will be virtual, means imaginary. So it also has 6 points. The first point is the ray of light parallel to principal axis of a convex mirror appears to diverge from the focus point. Diverge means it gets crossed from the focus point to center of creature. The ray is from this side and it is parallel to principal axis, but it diverges from F to C. Second point is the ray is directed towards the focus of the convex mirror will appear to parallel to principal axis. The ray appeared directly towards the focus. This is focus point. Convex mirror will be parallel to principal axis. Convex mirror reflection will be parallel to principal axis. Third is A ray is directed towards the center of creature, reflect back on the same path. The ray directed to the center of exterior, center of creature, it gets reflected back on the same path. Same path it goes, from which path it came, on that path only it goes back. That is reflection of center of creature. Fourth is a ray incident to pole reflect with same angle. Yes, this is the same point in concave mirror also. Same it is in convex also. The ray which we get, it has same angle on both the side. Incident ray also angle is same and reflection ray also angle is same. Fifth, object at infinity. Object and at infinity. This is the convex mirror. This is principal axis, and the image rays come from direct from front side. You can see, and it falls in opposite direction. You can see. So, which will be the image? First of all, the image will be virtual. Position of image will be at F, because the rays are from up this side, and the virtual image created, you can see it interact at focus point. This is the F is the image. F is the image, and the image size will be same, only point, and it will be virtual image. Sixth point of the convex mirror is, you can see this is the principal axis and this is your convex mirror. So this is your P and this is your F focus and this is your center. This is your convex mirror. The image fallen on this parallel to principal axis. It will create an angle of this reflection light. The same angle will be created after the incidental ray and reflection ray. Means I and R, which is parallel to principal axis. The incident ray and reflection ray, that time also will be same. Means in any condition, the I and R is always equal. Now the uses of convex mirror. First, it is used in rear view, means back object view. To see back object view, convex mirror is used, like in vehicles, because it always gives erect through image. Advanced image means straight image and very small image. Vice versa, concave mirror gives large image and convex mirror gives small image. It has wider field of view. Second, used at blind turns. Blind turns I will show you. See, this is the end pointed turn. So it is used there. Convex mirror is used for this blind turn. On the road side, to see this side vehicles, we use convex mirror. It is used in shops at security mirror. Yes, to see if this is the shop, the owner is sitting here. So convex mirror will be there on the security level to see shopkeeper can see who is coming from this side. So convex mirror is used. So till now we learned about concave mirror and convex mirror. Entire topic of concave mirror and convex mirror and spherical mirror is completed.